Now this one starts in the same way. We've got a point here, 6, minus 1, 5. And we need to go to a point here on the line. And this point here, because it's on the line, it'll have coordinates 1 plus lambda, 2 plus lambda, and that one there's just 5 as well. So this is point A, this is point P. Let's find out what the journey from A to P is. Well, it's from 6 to 1, so that's minus 5, add lambda. From minus 1 to 2, so that's 3 plus lambda, and then that's just 5 as well. So that's the journey from A to P. I don't want that. I want to dot that with the direction of the line. The direction of the line is 1, 1, 0, and this is going to equal 0. So quite a nice one here that we've just got 2 lambdas here. 2 lambdas equals 2, and so lambda must equal 1. So if lambda equals 1, this point here is 2, 3, 5. That's point P. Now it continues to ask you where point B is. And point B is the reflection of this over here. So the easiest way of thinking about this is just saying, well, look, I need to go on the journey from there to there. And the journey from there to there is exactly the same again. So 6 down to 2 is 4. Let's go down another 4. Minus 1 to 3 is 4. Let's go up another 4. And then it's 5, 5, 5. So we've got that journey there from A to B. So there's B, 2 minus 7, minus 2, 7, 5. And part C now says we're going to have another point on the line here. That's point C. And this is going to be an equilateral triangle here. An equilateral triangle meaning that the distance there to there is the same as the distance from there to there. Don't watch this until you've had a go at it yourself, but there's lots and lots of different ways of doing this. I'm going to do it like this. So I'm going from A to B is minus 8, 8, and 0. And so the length of A to B is the square root of 128, 64 and 64. Now, this point C here is actually just this thing again. I know it looks a bit weird just moving it up here, but what we're saying here is it's just another point on the line there. And so the journey from A to C, is the same as the thing we had up here again. So it's lambda minus 5, lambda plus 3, and 0. And if I want to find the length of that journey, then it's the square root of lambda minus 5 all squared plus lambda plus 3 all squared. And we're saying that that is this distance here, 128. So just a bit of algebra to work through now then. So let's multiply out that, plus 25. I've got another lambda squared, a 6 lambda, and a 9. And I'll square both sides to get rid of the roots. So I've got plus 128 there, just about seeing that on the edge of the screen, I hope. So finishing off that quadratic. Yes, this one, 2 lambda squared, we've got 4 lambdas, and 25 and 9, take away the 128, makes minus 94 equals 0. I'm going to stick that into my calculator, so I just paused the video to get that done there, and that gives me 2 answers here. Lambda equals minus 1 plus or minus 4 root 3 from my calculator there. So that's what lambda is. And so the last thing, I'll stop here, you can do this for yourself. The last thing is to stick your lambda value into your point value here, into that point 1 there, to give you the 2 points where C could be.